This arrived yesterday here at Hearns. This is from...
Kobe would have loved this.
Yeah.
Because he's a plane guy. But what do you know about it?
The F4U...
But it's a Magic Factory. That's what you were excited about.
Yeah, I think these are relatively new kits, and just having a look at it, they're quite good value. These come with a lot of extra, like masking sets and photo-etched details in there.
And cartograph decals.
Cartograph decals, which everybody loves them.
I love them. Personally, I love them. I can't get enough of the cartograph decals. That's the only brand I know, by the way. But
gives you the options for...
Let's jump on and have a look.
Yeah.
Whoops, we're not doing 1/350 anymore. Here we go. Show us through the box.
All right. So if you can see, that's showing up all right. You can see there's a lot of nice fine riveting detail, a lot of open panels. It comes with 2 sets of wings, so you can have them displayed folded or open, ready for flight.
Yep.
Yeah, I just thought it was a really cool kit. There's quite a lot in here, a lot of internal detail.
There is a lot of sprue in that kit, isn't it?
That's quite good value, I reckon.
It's a dense kit.
Get a lot of options for, having panels open. You can see the fuselage there.
And looks like it's got weighted wheels.
Yeah. Yeah, I just,
weighted tires.
When it came yesterday.
Oh, I do love a big engine. Hey?
Big Pratt & Whitney, 2,000 horsepower,
Woo!
18 cylinder
monster.
Yeah. And I thought this was quite cool because you get a little bit of...
What do you get?
Get some canopy masks.
Yeah.
You got photo-etched seat belts, some nice decals there. Yeah, I thought it was just...
And a stand. Oh, no, that's just the cowl.
Yeah.
So you can have the cowl on or cowl off because it looks like it's got engine detail.
Yeah, you get a full engine in it, so... Yeah, however you want to model it, you can have everything open, everything closed, whatever you want to do. One wing folded, one wing down, whatever. It just looked like a really good value kit. I was pretty impressed. I don't do planes, but I thought it was cool.
So do you think you could have turned? You might have jumped ship.
Turned for that. Yeah, might have jumped ship.
Might have jumped ship.
Yeah.
You reckon?
Yeah, and these are. I just think they're a cool looking plane.
I do have
11-to-1 kill ratio.
11-to-1 kill ratio.
So I think of. What was it?